Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to share with you a bit of demo and my review on the Havells Chopstick Curler. This is something that I picked up from Nykaa.com. None of this is sponsored. I bought it during the Nykaa sale and then I shared this with you guys on my Instagram stories, and 93% of you voted that I should do a demo of this and I should share my thoughts and review of the same. So here we are. You guys see the whole look. This is what I did with this particular hair curling wand. Now I'm going to get into all the details. I'm going to read this box out for you guys to see, and I also do want to mention that this video is not sponsored. Again, I'm saying so because you might see that the video is shot slightly differently and it might give you an idea as to this is sponsored, but it is not. Now let's quickly read whatever is written over here. This curling wand is a 7 by 10 mm rectangular barrel. The barrel that you see over here, this is rectangular. It is not like a round, it is not a round shaped barrel. It is like a chopstick for sure, which is why I guess the flatness that it has. Next thing that they say is that this is a ceramic coating iron. It actually helps you to protect your hair from that heat and it makes your hair feel smooth and healthy. It's written over here. The next thing that they say is that this has an insulated tip over here. It's a cool insulated tip, which means it's going to be safe for handling. But let me tell you, I would mostly be holding the tip of my hair around the wand itself, and yeah, so I wouldn't really reach the point of holding this. Also, we do have a lot of background noise going on. That's because all my neighbors, all upstairs, downstairs, left, right, center, whatever neighbors, everyone is renovating their home. It also is a tangle-free swivel cord is what is written here, and it has an LED indicator here. So basically when you put this on, this red light comes on over here, which is like the 0 to 1. I couldn't really find any other setting over here. So that's the temperature, 0 to 1, that's that. And it also has a safety stand over here. So basically you can just place this like that on any steady surface and it's not gonna like roll. It says instant styling in 60 seconds. It's a flexible rubberized cord for convenient use and it goes to 190 degrees Celsius. So basically that's the whole package over here. It's costing $2,195. I paid close to $1,500 on Nykaa.com during the Pink Friday sale. Again, not sponsored. If at all you guys are interested in seeing how I created these curls and what I think about this, then please keep on watching. So guys, to protect my hair from all the heat that's going to be damaging my hair, I'm actually using the L'Oreal Techni Art Constructor. It's a thermoactive spray that helps you to hold the hairstyle and it also gives us a little bit of texture, and it's gonna protect my hair from all the heated tool damage. This is actually my 3rd bottle, so I really love it. Now we're gonna be trying this for the first time. It has been on for a bit now. I don't see any other temperature setting on this. It's just like 0 or, you know, थोड़ा थोड़ा डर लग रहा है. Let's see how this goes. Okay. Should we take the back hair first? Because if I tend to damage it or something, it shouldn't come in the eyes of the peoples. Okay, I'm taking this strand, not strand, I'm taking this section of hair from here and you know, if you like making sections with a hair comb, like a thin hair comb, a rat tail hair comb, go for it. My hair is really thin and fine and it's already straight, so I can actually just pull out sections with my hands. Now we'll just go with it, okay? Oh my god. So I'm just twirling the iron as well as wrapping my hair around it. And probably leave it on for about 15 seconds, that's it. I'm just gonna let it go. But it's not bad at all. So I'll tell you why. My hand is I feel a little bit inconvenient holding that. The wire situation here, the electricity connection and all of that is getting a little bit difficult, only for the simple reason that the wire for this wand is really short. And my setup is over here and we put this cord over here, so it's just very restricted, you know, for movement. But otherwise, I'm gonna try and keep this on for a little bit longer. Hopefully my hand will not hurt as much. That's what it's looking like, but I'm gonna keep it for a little bit longer, okay? You guys know I've worn curls a lot, soft curls, tight curls, you know, but mostly bigger curls, not noodle curls. Like these are chopstick curls, you know. So let's see how this goes. Okay, I'm gonna keep it on for a little bit longer. Count like 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi, all the way 15. Okay, that's not bad either. So you guys, as you may have already figured it out, I am doing the same steps over and over again till we get the accomplished look, the entire look. Anyway, I'm just picking sections of hair, as you can tell, twirling them around the wand, leaving them on for about 15 to 20 seconds. Also getting a little bit too bored in the process because it is a lengthy process. It takes a little bit of time, and yeah, just thought I'll let you know that because you might see me making weird faces looking at myself in the mirror in just a bit. तो हाँ, बस हम यही कर रहे हैं. इन sections को थोड़ा twirl करेंगे, 20 seconds के लिए रखेंगे. Oh my god, that is me getting bored while getting ready. Anyway, oh my god, so this is what we are doing, and once we are done with all the sections of hair, it's the entire hair that I'm finally done with, and then I'm going to be finishing off the whole process using a hair serum. I did leave the front sections towards the end just to keep it tighter, you know, looking. And yeah, that's switching off again, and now we are using the L'Oreal Mythic Oil hair serum. I prefer any hair serum, just anything works well. It adds sheen, shine and nourishment as well. Over here it turned out to be a little bit messy, which is why I tried to control the situation with this hair clip, and yeah, I'm hoping that this looks slightly cuter as well. I do have a couple things to say very quickly if that hasn't gone in the voiceover yet. First of all, I do want to mention that this is actually really convenient to use. You can simply twirl it around like you guys saw in the video. It doesn't, you know, it doesn't take too long, like a few seconds. For me, up to 20 seconds were good. What is, you know, what I like about this is that it's a good change. I do have bigger curling wands like the Dyson curling, the Airwrap. I also have the Remington curling iron. I do have a Revlon one. I do have a Beach Wave, you know, instrument. So I do have these few things, but what is good about this is that it's going to add to a different hairstyle. Like when I do feel like having these noodle curls, chopstick curls, then this is going to come in handy. So it's a good equipment for a change. But if you're someone who has a lot of hair or someone who has really long hair, then I do want to mention that this is something that is going to require your patience and time. So if you are running against time, I wouldn't really advise you to go in for this because you need smaller sections that can be wrapped around a wand this thin. You know what I mean? So it's not going to be as quick as any other curling wand. It is going to take time. So make sure you have time on hand to do this, or just, you know, kind of just pick up pieces if you like from your hair, from the sections. But I would suggest you to have some time, you know. Another thing that I do want to mention is that for 1500 rupees approximately, I feel like it's a good investment. I could make a video for you guys as well. It did not make me feel like, you know, it's burning like a hole in my pocket. It's fairly reasonable. It's by Havells, which is a good brand when it comes to electronics as well. So overall, I really do like it. And what I also love about it is this green, you know, the pastel green, the turquoise green sort of a look that it has, turquoise blue look. And yeah, so the look is good as well. And it doesn't really have like a temperature control. So if you feel like, you know, you want to go from 0 to 1 to 2 to 3, it's not that. It's basically 0 to 1. So you're either here or there. There's no in between. You can't really control it. So that's kind of a drawback. But then 190 degrees on my hair, it didn't really feel like it was too much. Like it just felt kind of alright, you know, but I couldn't really increase it if I wanted to. And yeah, if you do want to go a little lower as well, you can't really do that. So that's a little bit of a drawback. Another thing that I do want to mention about this is that it comes with a 2-year warranty. So in case if it stops working for whatever reason, you can obviously approach the brand or show your bill, whatever that is, you know. So overall, that's the look that I created. The look does look slightly more open right now, but when I did do the curls, it was slightly tighter. Right now, I did run my fingers through my hair. I was filming an Instagram story as well. So it kind of did open up, but I do suggest you guys to use the L'Oreal Technique Art Hairspray. This will help you get a little bit of texture, a little bit of holding of the hairstyle as well. And if you do have like thin hair, if you do have fine hair, if you do have smooth and silky hair especially, it's gonna be a little bit difficult for any curling wand to hold the curls for a longer period of time, which is why a texturizing spray does come in really handy and useful. So that's that. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did like it, give me a thumbs up. Let me know what you think of this look. What do you think, how this looks on me? And also let me know if you are willing to try this out for yourselves or not. It's not sponsored, but let me know all of that in the comments below. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this look. Slightly different, a little bit of a different video. And yeah, have a great day. Check out my Instagram, participate in all the polls, all the giveaways, all of that stuff. And yeah, have a nice day. I'll see you guys super soon in my next one. Bye.